Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, either as a returning viewer or if this is your first time. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Rebecca and this channel is called Ma Cuisine Américaine. Usually on this channel I prepare American recipes or discuss American culture, often revolving around food, but I do so in French for a French-speaking audience. Today I'm going to be presenting an English version of a French video that I've already completed. I'm going to show you the super easy, super delicious, and super cheap recipe for copycat Kentucky Fried Chicken coleslaw. I love coleslaw in the summer. Generally, I'll have it at outdoor get-togethers or parties, but it's always because someone else prepares it or buys it and brings it along. After a year plus of COVID, I realized it had been so long since I'd had coleslaw at either a barbecue or a potluck, and I didn't have a favorite recipe to try. So I looked online and I found this copycat one. Without a doubt, my favorite sides from KFC are mashed potatoes and gravy and coleslaw. So I was super excited to try this one and see how it went. Let's get caught up with the recipe. To start with, I took the easy way out and I picked up a 16-ounce package of cabbage mix from the supermarket. If you want to make it even more authentic, but you start with this package, what you can do is what I did the next time I made it. Chop it up a little bit more with your knife or put it in the food processor and pulse it very briefly. This will cut the pieces a little bit smaller to be more authentic to what we know and love from KFC. But the taste is the same, so you can stay with just the regular packaged coleslaw mix. Similarly, you can use regular white cabbage and add in some grated carrots. So it's up to you how easy you want to make it. Once you have your base, you will add 2 tablespoons of minced onion. Put that mixture to the side for the moment and move on to the mayonnaise sauce. In a separate bowl, you're going to mix the mayonnaise, the buttermilk, vinegar, lemon juice, sugar, and salt and pepper. Once that's combined, you simply pour it over the coleslaw mix to incorporate, and then let everything sit and chill out for at least an hour in the refrigerator. Okay, so guess what? That's all you have to do. It's so easy. And my husband, who I will say likes most of the food I make, really loves this recipe and now asks for it often. My 2 children, unfortunately, can be picky eaters, but they love this as well. So that's a major win. On a cultural note, I think if you're in the US, you'll definitely understand the popularity and the appeal of the KFC chain. I was a little bit surprised to learn that it's the second largest restaurant chain in the entire world after McDonald's. I have personally traveled to France and I've seen commercials there, but funnily enough, their menu options are quite different from ours. And I actually want to make a video reacting to what I find on the French website of KFC, so I hope you'll stay tuned for that. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and will give it a try. If you like content like this, please subscribe to the channel and thumbs up the video. And I wish you bon appetit, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.